speaking English at work. Hi, everyone. My name is Anna. I am a new team member.
Welcome, Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm happy to join the company.
We are glad to have you here.
Thank you. I hope to learn a lot from everyone.
Please don't put yourself down. We can all learn from each other.
If you need anything, please let me know.
Okay, thank you. Talking about work.
What are you working on today?
I'm checking emails and updating the report.
Sounds good.
Let me know if you need help.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
We work as a team.
Is the report due today?
Yes, I need to finish it before the afternoon meeting.
Okay, I can review it if you want.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be free after lunch.
Great. I'll send it to you later.
Perfect. Let's do our best today.
Yes, let's do it. Team meeting, sharing updates.
Let's start the meeting.
I would like to give a quick update.
Go ahead.
I finished my task and everything is on schedule.
Great job.
Thank you for the update.
Did you face any problems?
No major issues. Everything went smoothly.
That's good to hear. What's your next setup?
I will prepare the next report and share it by tomorrow.
Sounds good. Please keep us posted.
Sure, I will.
Thank you, everyone. Let's move on to the next topic.
Talking about life and plans.
Is this your first job?
No, I worked at another company before.
What did you do there?
I helped with customer support and reports.
That experience will help you here.
I hope so. I learned a lot from that job.
I'm sure you did. How long did you work there?
For about 2 years.
That's great experience.
Thank you. I'm happy to use my skills here.
We're glad to have you on the team.
Follow the company's vision.
Our goal is to grow together.
I want to do my best.
It's really good.
We share the same vision.
Teamwork brings success.
I'm happy to be part of this.
Let's support each other.
Yes, let's move forward together.
I'm ready to contribute.
Supporting each other as a team.
I'm a bit stuck on this task.
Let me help you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Don't hesitate to ask.
I feel supported here. Team building and work-life balance.
We're having a team dinner tonight.
That sounds fun.
Yes, please enjoy and go home safely.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
It will be a good time together. Let's enjoy the evening as a team.
Success at work, inspiring ending.
We've completed the project successfully.
I learned so much from working with this team.
Everyone worked hard. We did this together. I'm proud of the effort you all showed.
This experience helped me grow.
And we became a stronger team.
Thank you, everyone. Let's aim even higher next time.
I'm proud to be part of this company.
Let's give a cheer.
Thanks for watching.